Welcome to the Headspace Sampler tutorial. Let's use the Headspace Sampler. Take one sampler from the kit. Easily detach the sampler from the paper, pulling it apart. Fold all the flaps to build the truncated pyramid. Then insert the lock tab to secure the final form of the sampler. Fold the last flaps to stabilize. Place over threat. Wait from 30 seconds to 1 minute. The vapor develops into the sampler and concentrates. Now the headspace is ready for detection. Sample with the AP4C, introducing AP4C's gas sampling nozzle through the open top of the sampler. Threats are detected in few seconds. Solid and liquid that do not develop significant vapor should be detected with our sampling solution, S4PE or the S4PF. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates, and visit our website